Class 3 EVS. Okay, let's start with class EVS now. Today we'll start the previous chapter we have finished. Now we'll start a new chapter, that is caring for physically challenged and elderly. Okay, caring for physically challenged means those who have one part. Okay, suppose a person who is not able to see, person who is not able to hear, a person who is not able to walk. Okay, any one part, okay, of the body is not working properly, they are called physically challenged. Okay, for example, suppose one of you cannot hear, cannot talk, cannot see, cannot walk properly, cannot write. Okay, so they are called physically challenged people. Okay, physically challenged. Okay, now see, and elderly means those are old people, elderly people. Okay, now all of you please write the date 9/5. Let's start today now. Read the clues and answer. This one we will do afterward. First let us read, then you can do this one. Okay, let's start. God has gifted us with a wonderful body. Each part of our body performs specific function. Okay, God has given a wonderful body and each part of our body does a different function. Life can be very difficult if any part of the body does not function properly. Life will be difficult if any part of the body does not work. Suppose if you cannot walk, your life will be difficult and it will be different also. You cannot talk, it will be a different life for you. Okay, so if any part does not work, it is a very difficult for us. Okay, now see, physically challenged people. Now see, blind man is a blind man. See, blind man means he is a physically challenged people. People who are unable to use a particular part of their body are called physically challenged or differently able people. Now underline this. People who are unable to use a particular part of their body are called physically challenged or differently able people. Physically challenged or differently able people. Okay, those who cannot use any part of their body. For example, our eyes help us to see things around us, but some people cannot see. Okay, those who are blind, those who cannot see, they are called blind. Those who cannot see, they are called what? They are called They are called blind. Those who cannot see, they are called blind. People who cannot see properly wear spectacles. What do they wear? Those whose eyesight are poor, they wear spectacles that are made by opticians. What opticians? Person who examine your eyes and give you the glasses and the contact lenses to make your vision, to make your eyesight clear. Okay, those who examine your eyesight and gives you glasses of proper powers, contact lenses to make your eyesight clear so that you can wear the spectacles and see things properly. Okay, they are called opticians. Okay, those whose eyesight are poor, they have to wear spectacles. Okay, clear? Who are physically challenged people? Physically challenged people, people who are unable to use a particular part, any one part of the body, is known as physically challenged, or you can call them differently able people. Those who cannot see, they are called blind. Who is an optician? Is a person who examines our eyes and give us the proper power and glasses, contact lenses so that we can see things properly. Okay, they are known as opticians. Let's go to the next page now. See, blind people. Now those who are blind. Blind people use a special system to read and write. Blind people, they use a special system to do what? Read and write. It is called Braille. It is called what? Braille. That's okay. Script. It is a script. Now, it is a form of script with raised dot. All dots are there with raised. It's high up. You can feel. See, this is the Braille. All dots are there, it is raised. You can give your hand and you can feel like this. Okay, blind people can feel this one. Okay, now see, it is called Braille. It is a form of script with raised dots. People who cannot see can feel the raised letters on the paper with their finger. Now see, people who cannot see, they can feel it and they can see what is written here. Okay, you can feel and see what is written here. Now, each year, second Thursday of October is celebrated as the World Sight Day. Every year, second Thursday of October is celebrated as the World Sight Day. Okay? Sight means vision. So clear what is Braille? Blind people, what do they use? Blind people use a Braille script to read and read. Okay, to feel. Okay, by that raised dot they can feel. They can say what is written on that. Okay, cannot feel the raised dots on the paper with their finger. They can feel. Okay, this helps them to study. Okay, this by this form they blind people study. Okay, Braille script. Now, our ears. Next is ear. Our ears help us hear different types of sound. Our ears help us to what? Hear different types of sound. Okay, with ears we hear all type of sound. Some people cannot hear at all. They are called deaf. Those who cannot hear, they are called what? They are called deaf. Some people, those who cannot hear, they are called deaf. Some people have difficulty in hearing. Some people, they cannot hear things properly. They have difficulty in hearing. They use hearing aids to hear properly. They use what? They use hearing aids. Hearing means, see, this is a machine on the ear. This helps us to hear properly. If you put the machine behind your ear, you can hear properly. They use hearing aids to hear properly. You put this one behind the ears and they can hear things properly. Okay, hearing aid, this is called. So now, those who cannot hear, they are called what? They are called deaf. Okay, those who cannot hear properly, they are called deaf, and they use hearing aids to hear properly. Like those who cannot see, they are called blind. They use spectacles to see properly. Same here, those who cannot hear, they are called deaf, and they use hearing aid to hear properly. Same. Now next, some people are unable to speak. Some people are not able to speak. They cannot speak. They are called dumb. Okay, those who are not able to speak, they are called what? They are called dumb. Deaf or dumb people communicate with a special language. Those who are deaf, those who cannot hear, those who cannot talk, those who cannot speak, they are called dumb. Okay, so deaf and dumb people, they communicate, means they interact with other people. Okay, they express their feeling with what? A special sign. They express their feeling with or interact with other people with a special language. With what? With a special language, a sign language. See, they are showing the sign and they are talking. See, it's a sign language. Okay, with other people. Now, it helps them express themselves and understand what others are saying by observing the movement of hands and facial expressions. Now, this sign language helps them to express themselves and understand what others are saying. They can understand what others are saying and they express with the sign language. And by seeing means observing the movement of hands and facial expression. Movement of hand and face expression. Facial means face expression. They can understand what other people are saying. Okay, clear? Now those who cannot speak or talk, they are called what? They are called dumb. Dumb and deaf people, what they use to express their feelings, they use a special language to express their feelings. Clear? Now, let us revise once. Those who cannot see or who are who are physically challenged people. People who are unable to use a particular part of their body is called physically challenged people or different label people, number one. Number two, who are blind. People who cannot see are called blind. Okay, now the blind people use what? Blind people use spectacles to see things properly. Those who cannot hear properly, they are called deaf. They are called what? They are called deaf. And deaf people use what? Use hearing aid. Those who cannot hear, they are called deaf. Deaf people use hearing aids to hear properly. Those who cannot speak, they are called dumb. Those who cannot speak or talk or express themselves, they are called dumb. Dumb and deaf people express their feelings or communicate with others through a special language. Okay, deaf and dumb people express or communicate their feelings, through a special language. Okay, by this they can understand what they are telling and they can understand what others are also telling to you. Okay, clear? For today, this much. Now, this one you will do. Now you can write, see, I cannot see, this will be blind. I cannot speak, just now I taught you. I cannot see, those who cannot see, blind. Those who cannot speak, just I told you, dumb. Those who cannot hear, deaf. I help if you have poor eyesight, means bad eye, you cannot see properly. Then what helps? What blind people use? Though not blind people, sorry. the person, those who do not have proper eyesight, they use what? Spectacles to see things properly. So spectacles help them to see. So I help you if you have a poor eyesight. So what will be? Spectacles. This one you will do by yourself. This one will be your homework. Do by yourself and send it. Okay, all of you without fail. Thank you.